60-second quick fire, 60 seconds with Andy Paul in San Diego. 3, 2, 1. Andy, what's the one piece of tech every sales team should have in their stack that they don't currently?
I'd probably go with conversational intelligence. Not enough companies have it.
What percentage do you think do?
Single digit.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, missed opportunity. Question number 2, what is the top tip that most sellers are currently missing out on? What haven't they heard from you, Andy?
Yeah, they probably all wish I'd go away. Top tip. Keep learning. Keep learning.
See? Well, we're on time here. What's the best way for sellers to self-improve their skills, speaking of which?
Speaking of which, yeah, experimentation. And then, yeah, conversational intelligence, have other people observe them in calls, provide them feedback.
And if for some reason your company doesn't have conversation intelligence, record yourself, rewatch yourself. You can self-coach. All right, last question.
Sure.
What sales podcast are you currently listening to regularly? Can't be yours.
Revenue Reel with Amy Rohabchak.
That was great.